So the two primary arrays that you'll work with most often include NS-array and NS-mutable-array. Arrays start counting at index 0. So we have first position is actually index 0, then 1, and then 2. You can also think of arrays as essentially fancy variables that hold more than one thing. NS arrays don't actually hold the actual objects, but rather pointers to them. Objects added to an array are automatically sent a retain, and when objects are removed from an array, they're automatically sent a release. Here's an example of us creating an NS array using a convenience method. So it allows us to initialize and populate the array. And here's a more manual method using alloc and init with values. To access an array element, we can essentially just choose the array's name and then go object at index and whatever array indice number that you'd like. Remember, NS arrays are considered to be immutable or fixed in size. Creating and populating an NS mutable array. So you can see up here we're NS mutable array, alloc and init. To populate it, we can go array add object, and then we're adding the first object. Access an array value, we can essentially use object at index again. And finally, every so often we might want to completely clear out an array, and we can simply do that with remove all objects.